Today I'm going to walk through LIVEN app. We're going to examine the LIVEN app. We're going to see what this app is all about and if it is worth it. So that was the LIVEN app review. Let's start. Now this is a LIVEN app. It's online. You can get to it by searching on your browser theliving.com, and then you're here. You can see it. Hello, I'm Living. Living is meant for improving well-being. Living is here to make well-being a little more approachable. No fluff, no overly complicated terms, just genuine down-to-earth support for whatever life throws your way. So you get real support for real life. We have about 2.3 million users engaged, 100k monthly active users, and 96% satisfaction score. That's nice. Now what are they bringing to the table? Mood tracker to help you navigate your feelings. The app has bite-sized courses to help you pick up life-changing insights. It also has scientifically backed well-being tests to help you discover more about yourself. CBT-based techniques to challenge unhelpful thought patterns, as you can see, and sonic relief and breath work for your personal oasis of calm and focus. It has goals and growth section to track your mindfulness progress and see how far you've come. Who is living for? For anyone who is feeling overwhelmed, then you need living. For those who are struggling with time management, then you need this app. If you find it hard to focus, you also need this app. And if you have a lack of motivation, you need this app. Living is for you. If you're curious, you can dive in and take the assessment real quick. It will help you to design an insight that resonates with you. This is procrastination, ADHD, childhood trauma, burnout. Find your path. These are reviews from people who have used it. It seems we also have the frequently asked questions section. So we've seen this now. Let's go into it properly. This is just a simple briefing of it. Now let's go into it properly. So the Living app helps to help users improve their mental well-being by addressing issues like procrastination, ADHD, and burnout. It does this through a combination of personalized content, goal setting, and habit tracking. What are the pros? You get personalized approach. This app is tailored towards your content and recommendations based on your responses to questionnaires and goals. It focuses on specific issues. It targets common challenges and it offers relevant strategies and support challenges like procrastination and ADHD. It helps you to set goals and track your progress, which can be motivating and provide a sense of accomplishment to you, the user. The app also offers a range of resources, including articles, videos, and exercises to keep you engaged. Now, what are the cons of the Living app? Costs. This app can be expensive with monthly or quarterly subscription fees. Next, limited customization. While the app offers some personalization, users may find that the available options are not comprehensive enough to fully address your individual needs. And some users have reported that the content is not always engaging or insightful, and it can be repetitive. There have also been reports of technical glitches and bugs which can be frustrating for users. But overall, the Living app shows promise in helping users improve their mental well-being, but it just has its limitations. It may be a good option for individuals who are motivated to use the app regularly and who are willing to invest in a subscription. However, users, please be aware of the potential costs and limitations before committing to the app. So that is it on Living app review. Is it worth it? You decide. See you in the next video. Bye for now.